Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn English through something many people love coffee.
Coffee? That sounds easy. I love coffee.
Perfect! Then this lesson will be fun. We'll talk about coffee, cafes, ordering drinks, describing taste, and having natural conversations in English.
So, where should we start?
Let's start with a simple question. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Excellent. You can also say, I usually have coffee in the morning.
I usually have coffee in the morning.
Great. Now imagine we are sitting inside a cafe. Look around. What can you see?
I can see tables, chairs, cups, a coffee machine, and a lot of people.
Very good. You can say, this cafe has a cozy atmosphere.
This cafe has a cozy atmosphere.
Cozy means comfortable, warm, and pleasant. For example, I like this cafe because it feels cozy.
I like this cafe because it feels cozy.
Now, let's order something. Imagine you are standing at the counter.
Okay, what should I say?
You can say, can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Perfect. You can also say, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
I'd like a cappuccino, please?
Excellent. I'd like is a very natural and polite expression.
What if I want something without sugar?
Easy. Say, I'd like a coffee without sugar, please.
I'd like a coffee without sugar, please.
Or, could I have a coffee with less sugar?
Could I have a coffee with less sugar?
Very natural.
What about milk?
You can ask, does it come with milk? Or simply say, could I have some milk, please?
Could I have some milk, please?
Great. Now let's talk about different kinds of coffee.
I know a few. Espresso, cappuccino, latte.
Exactly. An espresso is a small, strong coffee. A latte usually has espresso and a lot of steamed milk. A cappuccino has espresso, steamed milk, and foam.
So if I like milk, I can choose a latte? Yes, you can say, I usually go for a latte. I usually go for a latte. Go for means choose. It's very common in everyday English. Can I say I choose a latte? Of course, but I'll go for a latte sounds very natural in casual conversation. I'll go for a latte.
Perfect.
How can I describe the taste?
You can use words like strong, mild, bitter, sweet, creamy, smooth, rich, and fresh.
So I can say, this coffee is strong?
Exactly.
This coffee is creamy? Good. This coffee is too bitter.
That's also very useful.
What does bitter mean?
Bitter means it has a sharp taste that is not sweet. Dark coffee can sometimes taste bitter.
Oh, I see.
Now, let's talk about coffee culture. For many people, coffee is not just a drink.
It's part of their daily routine?
Exactly. People meet friends at cafes, work on laptops, read books, have business meetings, or simply relax with a cup of coffee.
I like sitting in a cafe and watching people.
You can say, I enjoy people watching at cafes.
I enjoy people watching at cafes.
Very good.
Why do people like cafes so much?
Because cafes can create a comfortable social space. You can meet someone without making a big plan.
True. You can just say, let's grab a coffee.
Exactly. And that expression is very important.
Grab a coffee.
Yes, it doesn't literally mean grabbing the coffee with your hand. It means go somewhere and have a coffee, usually casually.
Let's grab a coffee.
Great.
Can I say, let's grab a coffee after work?
Absolutely. That sounds very natural.
I'm learning useful English today.
That's the goal.
What if my friend asks, want some coffee?
If you want it, say, sure, I'd love some.
Sure, I'd love some.
If you don't want it, you can politely say, no thanks, I'm good.
No thanks, I'm good.
Excellent. That sounds friendly and natural.
What if I want to ask someone what coffee they like?
Ask, what kind of coffee do you like?
What kind of coffee do you like?
I like a hot latte with a little sugar.
And I like iced coffee.
Then you can say, I'm more of an iced coffee person.
I'm more of an iced coffee person.
Great. That means iced coffee is more your style.
Can we practice a complete conversation?
Absolutely. You're the customer and I'm the...
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was easy. Exactly. You don't need complicated English to communicate. Simple sentences can sound very natural when you use them confidently. So I can learn English from everyday situations like ordering coffee?
Ujjal, yes. That's one of the best ways to practice. Think about what you actually do every day and learn the English you need for those situations.
Coffee, cafes, friends, work, shopping. There are so many situations.
Exactly. And remember these useful phrases. Can I get? I'd like. Could I have? Let's grab a coffee. What kind of coffee do you like? And I'm more of a person.
I'd like to get. I'd like. Could I have? Let's grab a coffee. What kind of coffee do you like? I'm more of a person.
Perfect.
And now I really want a coffee.
Me too.
So, Ujjal, let's grab a coffee.
Absolutely. But this time, you're ordering.
No problem. I'd like a latte, please.
Perfect English. And everyone watching, keep practicing your English every day.
Exactly. Don't worry about making mistakes. Speak, listen, repeat, and enjoy the process.
See you in the next conversation.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and, of course, enjoy your coffee.